Welcome back to our channel Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement a new question that is write a Java program to find minimum scalar of two vectors. This question is might be getting confused because the question is very different as compared to other arrays programs. But don't worry, I will solve these problems very easily. So to solving this problem, first we have to use the sorting to sort the first array. We have to create the two arrays and the product of two array. We have to print the product of two arrays. So for that, how to solve this vectors approach, scalar of two vectors. So let me just need a main method and just create the two array. Let's take int of array and take the vector WCT over vector of 1 is equal to just take some values like 3, 5. Okay, I just take this three values here and int of array vector 2 WCT over vector 2 is equal to just take some values here 4, 2, 1. Make sure in the curly braces. So these are the values which I have taken, and what we have to do, we have to do the product of these two vectors. But the condition should be the scalar of two vectors. The first should be in the ascending order, and second should be in the descending order. And then you have to product of this. So we can use the without inbuilt method as well. But in this program, we just use the inbuilt method to sort the array and reverse the array and then perform the what actually our question is saying. Next video, we will be solving with the bubble sort. By using bubble sort, we have to sort the array and the second array we have to uh, sort in the descending order and then we have to perform. Okay, but here the approach is first let's take arrays. Okay, uh, arrays dot the sort. Okay, and make sure it should be a vector one which have to a sorting order. Okay, and then one more method we will get arrays dot sort sort and the vector 2 here. Okay, vector 2 and the comma. Also, we need a collection here. We need a collection over here. CO double L is the collection which is present in java.util package, that is a parent class. The supermost super class is a collections. Okay, so just enter it, and as you can see here, this will be imported in the java.util.collections package, and this class has some method which is already inbuilt, that is a collection dot reverse REVS. We see we will get the reverse order over here. Let's take it and then our sorting and the uh, reverse both are done over here. And what we are getting here, remove the argument to match y. Control here. So okay, why we are getting this? This will be accept uh the collections of reverse will be accepting the integer type of data, and we just using the int, that is a primitive type of data. So let's convert it into integer, and let's control C, control V over here. The board should be in the integer type of data. Now the error is gone over here. Then the our logic part is here. Let's take one hint of scalar. Scalar product of is equal to 0 as a initial values. And then just take a for loop over here. Int of I is equal to 0. I should less than of vector 1 dot length and I plus plus. Then inside of this, just take a scalar product of plus is equal to, that is a assignment operator, and just take vector 1 of I, okay, into vector vector 2 of I over here. That means we will getting the product of the array. And then just come out here and this out the scalar product. So just type scalar product and run it and see what we'll be getting here. As you can see, we'll getting the 15. Here, here, as you can see here, our array is already sort in the ascending order, and this will be descending order. So what actually happening here? So let's take a one will be into the uh, one into the let me check first. Okay, let me check first what is the reverse order of values. So come here and this out and arrays. Here are arrays dot string of vector 2 and see what is the order of the executions. The 4 to 1. The values is already in the descending order 4 to 1. Okay, now uh, I am uh, understanding what is happening here. So 1 into 4, then the second value is 3 into the 2, and then 5 into the 1. The values which we are getting here, the 1 into 4, what is 4 over here, 3 into 2, 6 over here, and the 5 into 1, getting the 5 over here. The values of 5, 5, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 15, not 6, 6 plus 5, you will getting the 11. 11 plus 4 will getting the 15. The values which you are getting is total 15. That is why we call the minimum scalar of two vectors. That is 15, which I getting. I hope you will understand these videos. So basically logic is to just uh, product of your neighbor element, but make sure the first in the uh, ascending order and the second array in the descending order, and then just use the neighbor element to uh, just multiply your vector 1 with the vector 2, and you will get in the scalar product of your vector. I hope you will understand these videos. That's all about in these videos. Thank you for watching. Coding pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.